That's why I hope this could also help you guys that when you reach level 5, ibig sabihin you only have 5 levels to deploy. Pag nagkaroon ng level 5, targetin mo nang i-break even. Maghanap ka ng ibang account pang trade mo na may cut loss. Kaya nga gumagawa ako ng bagong strategy, shadow with cut loss. 1 lot, 0.5. Titingnan ko after I hear if it's effective. Kukwento ko sa inyo. Kasi yun yung ginagawa ko pang salo dito. Okay, first month ko 2 weeks 100%. I think the most important there is yung how sharp you will get the market from its bottom. Okay, that's why kaya sabi ko important yan. Binabalikan ko tong slide na to kasi pag tama naman yung entry ko, si market ayaw lang talaga akong pagbigyan. At inulit niya yung historical settings na yan. Okay? Inulit yung sarak na settings na yan. Ibig sabihin, worst case scenario, protected pa din yung account ko kasi nasa maximum 20% pa ako. Ibig sabihin, pag $1,000 ko, nag-negative 250. Every $1,000, nag-negative 250, hindi ako mahihirapang mag-recover or mag-break even. Look at the numbers. Diba? Pag nag-reach ang 30% yan, ibig sabihin, medyo lumalaki na yung recovery rate na kailangan ko.